Welcome. Welcome back. The show continues. Hello, I am MyFundedFutures. Welcome, and Kirktown is here. Oh, thanks for the. Oh, well, it happened last week, so I was in secrecy on Monday yesterday, so I just couldn't talk about it. Yeah, we're going through this. Yeah, it is what it is. Moving on. Moving on. I got the new funded accounts, so not doing anything crazy, by the way, today. Especially not just because I don't want to do crazy stuff, but look at the price section. I mean, I'm sorry if you guys were expecting me in London. I forgot to tell you that I couldn't not be here for a London session, but hey, look at the chart now. I don't see anything special here. Oh yeah, we have news. We have news at Jolt's job openings. Oh yes. All right. Oh, and okay, Trump is speaking later. All right, that's a good news, I guess, that he's on later. All right. So far we have a little bit like an inversion gap on the 1 hour. This one has been repriced. So I'm looking at the hourly for possible targets. I think that this level could be important. That 515 up there. 515.75 on the micro. Akram, hey there. How's it going? So we have an inversion gap on the 15-minute and also on the 1 hour. I think that would be the closest draw on liquidity. So let's just put it right there. That's gonna be like a 15-minute CB right there. And let's just hold it until. Okay. So these are the levels that we have. Yeah, market is open, by the way. Totally forgot. Totally forgot that the market is open. Not much is happening, by the way. I'm checking this, but I don't see anything special for now. There is a gap lower. I'm not even looking for positions here at this moment. On the 5-minute, there's an inversion down there. I'd like to see this one going higher, to be honest. I'd like to see this one go to that 15-minute CB up there, or at least up to 515.75. So Take Profit Trader has an activation fee right now, Akram. So last time, they were doing the 40% off with no activation. Now they have no daily loss limit. They have no daily loss limit, 50%, but they have an activation fee. So that's the recipe right now. Yeah. But at least we don't have daily loss limit, which is awesome. Which is great. Okay. Let's see what's going on. $130, I think, the activation fee, by the way. All right. So far, nothing is moving. I suppose, or like to see this one going up 90 points to that 1 hour. Is that a 1 hour? Yeah, that's a 1 hour fair value gap up there. So, what was the news with Bank of Japan? I haven't I did not read it this morning, so I don't know. I don't know. good question. That's a good question. Oh, it's without activation. Jeez. Oh my god. Uh-oh. The description. I thought I changed that. Let me check it. It should have been changed. Oh my god. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it. No. 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 Oh, no activation. Jeez. Oh my god. Bummer. Oh my god, I'm sorry about that. Yeah. I'm sorry about that. It's my fault. Apologize. I apologize for that. I just updated it. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. All right, let's see. I think I entered the long position. I'm targeting that 521. If it goes down into this, I just went 1 micro. If it goes down into the gap, I'm gonna add 1 more to the mix, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna add 1 more. I don't even have a stop loss on yet. Okay, I have a stop loss, but I don't have a take profit. Yes, I use TickTickTrader. Yes, this trade has been copied on TickTickTrader as well. Actually, here's the TickTickTrader account right here. So yes, I use them. Come on, is it gonna go down? All right, I'm adding 1 more limit to this limit order. If it would like to pick up some orders. This is the first fair value gap, by the way. So I think it should be picked up, or if not, then maybe later. And my target will be 515. 5. Okay, right there. That would be the target. Is it good asking because yes, Romania is allowed. Yes, it's definitely an OG, so they are in business since a few years now. Yeah, Bulenox is also good. Bulenox is also good. I'm not sure about Bulenox restricted country list, but TickTickTrader is in business since 3 or 4 years now. They have like a few thousand, 6,000 or 7,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and they have more social media presence than Bulenox. I'm not saying Bulenox is bad. I love Bulenox. I'm just saying that TickTickTrader is also in a good position. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about Bulenox, but TickTickTrader allows. But I think Bulenox as well. I think Bulenox allows as well. Oh man, look at that. It didn't take my limit order. But anyway, still good. Yes, no problems with Bulenox. They pay out like clockwork, like really. Every week payouts, like but there's 10 minimum trading days, so that means bi-weekly payouts basically. But the payout system is like clockwork, is like a Swiss watch, really. Every week on Wednesday there is payout. Obviously, I didn't receive every week payment, but there was a time during the summer last year, August and September, I was receiving payouts like 3 or 4 times in a row every 2 weeks, and they were paying like clockwork. So and they also denied someone with a payout of $400,000, or it was 500,000 maybe. That's the only big issue that we know about Bulenox, that they denied someone with that kind of money. I don't know if they settled it or what happened. I'm not sure, but I think they settled it, as far as I know. All right, nice trade. So into that 15-minute CB that we talked about. But other than that, I don't know. I don't know where this one will go. Yeah, this was a good one. But, where to next? What would be the next target here? I'm wondering. What would be the next target? Are we going to go up to the 600s maybe? Because after this, I have no idea. I really have no idea. I think we have a good chance to get back to that that first presentation gap, but not really sure. That's gonna be a 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap, CB. Okay. I think it can go down back to the first gap. Maybe. I'm not gonna go short here. No way. I'm not gonna go short. But I'm gonna mark this up right here. All right. Let's go. Let's go. By the way, on Bulenox, I made a trade on this. I made 175. So this Bulenox account, I don't know if they're gonna approve it because I was trading on tilt on this account. So it's up $4,237. Now it is eligible for payout. So I'm gonna be asking $1,500 from this account. I made 175. I needed to make 4,200. Actually, it's still, I think, $4,200. Yeah, but I will make it. Oh, nice. Let's go. Let's go, Iron Weather. That's good. That's good. No restrictions for Romania. Nice. That is good. That is good. Good to know. That is good. So I'm trying to figure this out, where this might go. I would like to see this turn around, to be honest. That would be fun. I'm going to tell you why. Why I think it could be fun to see this turn around. Where is that? Come on. Is it on the 5-minute? Let me check. Low here is 13. Okay, but on the mini, this is the mini. Oh yeah, this is why it could be fun. This is why it could be fun. 21,200-ish. And on the micro, it's also somewhere down there, 21,200. This is a very nice bullish order block. Oops, or not supply, demand zone. Very strong one, to be honest. And it has not been mitigated yet. So let's just keep that in mind for future reference. Yeah, stick with the rules. They made some new rules at Bulenox. Albert, good morning. They made some new rules. One of the main things that they have changed is no more copy trading with other prop firms. But the other thing, they also implemented the flipping rule and the average position sizing. By average position sizing is nothing super special. They sent out an email. I also asked them, but Methodical Man also asked them a few months ago, and almost the same answer came to me as well. They're basically looking to eliminate those kind of traders or individuals who are looking for a windfall day with full contracts, and in the rest of the trading days they just flip the account. By the way, that's what the consistency rule is for. But they want to get rid of those kind of traders who are just, you know, abusing the system with maximum lot size and trying to be lucky on a few trades. So they also said that, for example, if one enters with 7 minis in one day, and that individual makes a very good day, and the other day that person would go in with micros, for example. Now that would be something they're picking on. You know, you make like $1,500 or whatever, $1,400 with 7 mini, but on the rest of the days, you're just going to trade with micros, like 1 micro, 2 micro, 5 micro, whatever. You know, that is something they don't like. So, could be interesting. Exactly. No more gamblers, just traders. Exactly. That's why I don't know if I'm going to be paid out or not. And I'm not even blaming them, because as I was on tilt, I was lucky. I was lucky with the trade that got me above $4,000. So I don't know if I'm gonna get, you know, paid out or not. I don't know. I have no idea. That's gonna be a surprise either way. Even if I'm gonna get denied or if I'm gonna get paid out. But at least we will know. Trader Monk, good morning, good morning. I think today is the last day, by the way. I don't know for how much time until the Apex discount goes. Oh, let me check it. Let me log into my. Oh, by the way, Dominic, I just see that you wrote to me on Discord. Hey, thank you so much for everyone who wrote me on Discord. I'm gonna reply definitely, and to everyone, Maverick as well, Yoto, Nekadish, Joalma as well, Ukando, thank you so much, and everybody else. Thank you. I didn't know that you guys are gonna reach out to me on Discord. Feels very good. Thank you guys. Okay. Let me just, I wanted to check how long is the promo is going until the 5th. Okay, so not today, tomorrow is the last day. All right, from the Apex promo. Just check out my latest video, Akram, you know. I think you checked it out. Didn't you? You write a so many comments. Oh my god, I was surprised. Hey, Tinkan. Good morning. Tinkan is new here. Huge applause. New subscriber. What time frame are you looking here? Oh, you can always check my time frame. That's why this is here on the right down right corner. 5-minute time frame micro Nasdaq right now. You can always check here because this is trading view. But if I go into my quant hour charts, there's always a watermark here in the background that should help you out. This is the 1-minute time frame on micro Nasdaq. But if I'm on trading view, here it is, 5-minute time frame currently. Hey, it's Jonathan. It's I don't even know if I'm gonna do videos like that in the future, even if I will have a bad day, because I don't want to be the kind of person that looks like that's all I do. I'm not just gonna move on. Yeah, we can do it, everybody. I'm so blessed. Okay, no problem, Tinkan. Welcome again. Yeah, check it out later. All right. So we reached the midpoint of that CB. Who knows what's gonna happen now? Oh, I do know you'll get those. We all get those losses back, Albert. I mean, not just the losses. We all get there. This year is gonna be awesome. Just telling you guys, this year is gonna be so great. Nothing's gonna, derail us from this. Nothing. We're in this together. And this year is just gonna be the best year. I know it by heart. I know. Not just me, Albert. You as well. You're gonna end up. Just let us stick together. Help each other out, and that's it. Big rejection at 550. Micro didn't reach there yet. Let me check. This is the 15-minute chart, rejected from this CB. Let's see. I'm still looking at the first fair value gap down there, by the way. I don't know why. Rejection from the midpoint there. But who knows? 546. Oh yeah. And we have this the mid level of that CB still. So I'm gonna be curious how, if this one is gonna have up close candles on the 1 minute chart above the gap, then we might be moving higher, especially not just the previous day high. Is that at 600 exactly? Wow. Could be moving to 600 then. Are we moving to 600? It seems like we're moving. It seems like it wants to move. Still no entry. How far are we? 50. 50 points away from that 600. Nintendo is here. Hey, how's it going? Let's check that out. What is happening on the other time frames? Just a second here. Okay, I have no position on. I'm just looking at the charts. I'm still trying to figure out if we're going to 600. I think we will. But I'm not going to enter like I did last Friday. So I'm just gonna tape read it and watch it carefully to see what it's doing. I think gold also made a new high, right? New historical high. Yes. So new historical high on gold. That was pretty much obvious that it's gonna do it. What else do we have? Yeah, me too, Akram, to be honest. Sorry, NQ. Let's check that. So Akram, I also want I mean, also want to short gold and also want to go short on NQ if I can. But so far, it seems like we're getting closer to that 600. And, you know, just don't like it. Just don't like it. We have the news in 3 minutes, I think. So Jolt's job openings is right here. Yeah, this is going up It just keeps on grinding higher. No stopping. There is just no stopping at this. I have a feeling that it wants to go higher. That it might want to pop that that level. Let's see if it can do it. That's 600-ish. Less than 1 minute to go. Yeah. Might be Nintendo. I think so. It could happen. So let's see. News are in about 5 seconds. All right, here it comes. This is gonna try to take it. Who knows? Almost taking that 600 now. Almost went up there. It did? Oh, it did. All right. It did go up there. It did go. All right, 600 swept. Now what's next, you know? We have a swing high on the 5 minute up here. And you know what? I think it's not over. If you really look at this closer, there's a 5 minute level at 625. 625, everyone. That's a supply zone. That's a supply zone. It's just so close that I think it might want to take it. How far is that? Enter the small long position on evaluation, targeting 620.50. Actually, I'm modifying it to 620. I'm going to use a stop below 50. I mean, that's gonna be filled. So my entry is 79.50. No, this is it. Okay, so this is my trade. I'm targeting the supply zone at 625 on the 5 minute chart, I guess. Let me show you. Yes, so on the 5-minute chart, there is a supply area. It's nice and beautiful one here. Starting, the candle opens at 26, actually, on the micro. So I'm targeting 620. Actually, you know what? I might target 2450. Okay, I modified to 2450. I don't know where is it on the mini, but I can check it. This is the candle right here. The open of this candle is 2650. Okay, so 2450 is going to be my target. Going for that supply zone, hopefully. If not, then I don't care. Pray for reversal. You know, we still have momentum. We have the new hour, and we have a very good target. I like the supply and demand zones for targets. I really like them. But for Akram, I don't mind the stop loss. So I have no problem if I have a stop loss if Akram can make some profits there. So we are very close to that supply area. That's why I targeted it. It looks like it could be accumulating positions here. But hey, I hope, I mean, I don't care if I lose this. Just make sure that Akram wins. I really, no troll. I had my fair share of losses, so make sure that Akram wins. Vivian is here. Hello, Vivian. Vivian, good to see you. All right, let's go for that supply area. Oh, I mean, no, don't go for it. Don't. If I zoom this out, it can be more stressful, right? Hey, Reza is here. Reza, thank you for the comments on the video. I'm doing okay. By the way, as I said in the video, it happened on last Friday. So by yesterday, when I made the video, it was much better. I recovered mentally. Yes, I recovered. I have my new funded accounts. As I mentioned in the video, 5 Apex, fresh new funded accounts from Apex. I haven't traded them. But you know, I'm building up these evaluation accounts now, trying to feel the market a little bit. So all is good, all is good. But I managed to be funded at Take Profit Trader, so I have the new 150k account ready. I just had to flip it today and maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. So I got the new funded account at Take Profit Trader. And with Tick Trader, I'm also getting closer to being funded on this. I have 2600 already, so getting closer. And another Take Profit Trader account. Oh, not this one. This one is getting built up. How you doing, Reza? How you feeling today? How is the markets? How are you? I hope printing money. I hope. Should have taken this on the MyFundedFutures account as well. I really wanted it. But what can I do? $10 PAs, 7 traded 5. Oh, account with mindset. Oh, no. About 20 accounts Friday. Past 10 accounts. Ooh. Oh my god. 3,300. Oh. Oh. Well, yeah, that's how it goes. Oh. We reached the well, we didn't reach it quite yet. That supply area. Yeah, so the cost of business, right? The cost of business. It is how it is. Okay, I think now, yeah, okay, so we're back to the to that supply area right now. You lock your third payout with Top Step. Let's go. 4.4k. Let's go. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you calculate your business, you know. Expenses and income, but hey, that's the way to do it. Nice. Nice. That is awesome. That is awesome. I know you're doing always the smart things and you calculate your risk, so that is great. Oh, let's see what is happening. I shoulda, coulda, woulda hold. Yeah. Although I don't know if I think it might gonna go into that fair value gap on the 1 hour chart. Let me check the high of the zone. Yeah, I think it will. I think the target is 62. Let me check. Um, mm, yeah, it could be 62 here. The target. Look at how it goes. $62.25 maybe? I'm not even sure exactly. But it seems like it wants to pop it. Getting very close. Very, very, very close to that level. I'm just curious. Yeah, sure. Let me show you. So the fair value gap is up until just a second. So the fair value gap is up until 720. You know, on the hourly. I woke up full of energy yesterday and said to myself, 21 funded this month. Yeah. I know that feeling. I know how that happens. I know how that goes. Exactly, I know how that goes. All right, let's go back to the 1 minute. What's happening here? I don't even know what's happening here. Is this gonna go back to the 60s? You know, it popped some lows here. Let's see. Exactly, Reza. We move on stronger than ever before. I know we will, 100% sure, and we will get there. That's how we do it. You know, that's how we do it. I know we will. I am 100% sure about that. So I know we will. So what's this doing, I wonder? Is it going to pull back on the 5 minute? I think it wants to. I think it wants to pull back. Yeah, I think it will. Maybe even down to below the 600s. Wouldn't be surprised on it. No surprise there. Yeah, exactly, Kirktown. Let's stop crying. Concentrate here. Actually, I don't want to do anything until it shows a clear structure shift on the 1 minute or sweeps this CB up there. So that's what I'm just waiting here to let it decide what it wants to do. Is it wants to sweep here, or what's the deal? I just can't figure it out. It might pull back to below the 600s. So let's see what happens. Or it's gonna pop the 60s. Not sure about that. Seems like a high resistance liquidity run, maybe. Right here. Yeah, it wants to pull back lower, I guess. And I'm gonna check out for how low let's see how far it will go. For now, it's just going sideways. So it's not a good ideal place to scalp, because if it turns around, then we could see this doing crazy stuff here. Crazy stuff. Yeah, I don't see any real pullback yet. At least not below the 600. So it can still just go higher from here. Is this going to make it or not? Feels like it wants to pop that 60. Actually, what's the high on the mini there? The mini. I'm sorry. The mini. It's 60. All right. So I think it's gonna pull it. It just did. It just did. Oh, back to the micro. Sorry. So now we are. Now we swept a level. What's it gonna do now? Even one tick is enough to sweep that. Now it would be nice to see a structure shift. If it's not gonna shift, well, there are still some levels that are considerable, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Five-minute is not showing anything. The 1 minute might it have to close below 614. Let me just delete some levels from here. This is not important. Oh, not this one. Ah. Okay, so 1 hour fair value gap, not important, not important. Let's see what it wants to do. First fair value gap is 592 on the 5-minute chart. If someone wants to scalp. But that's all. That's the... How far is that? 91. I mean, it can go down. It can actually go down. Why not? you know. How far is that? 23. Yeah, 38 points. It can. I'd like to see it go. Hey, the Deca is here, and Jock is here. So video about yeah, sucks. We keep going. Yeah, always a new day, the Deca. Thanks for and thank you for saying that. We keep going. We keep going. That's what we can do, you know. Back to square one, and that's it. That's it. Just keep on going. That's how it is. That's what we do. You're off and you're happy of it. I think, yeah, I think sitting on the sidelines here is a good thing. We had a nice long position here after the open, targeting that 15-minute CB, but right now, it's a very interesting scenario. Is this gonna go lower or not? That's the thing everybody wants to know. Or are we gonna burst through? Well, we have to go up to 690 then. Yeah, I understand, Jack. I'm actually, I was just trading on evaluation accounts now, so yeah. If we stop dreaming, if we stop, dream stops too. Yeah. It's just going up nonstop, definitely. It's really just going up nonstop. You know, it can also go to the set. Hold on, there is a, okay, that has been taken out. Liquidity at 781. It might go there, but we still have this gap. But we swept it. Kind of interesting area here. This candle has no bottom wick. The 10 a.m. candle. That's interesting. The 10 a.m. candle. I'm going to put a line there at the 10 a.m. candle. There you go. 558.50. I'm actually a little bit tempted to go short on it. Who knows? Who knows? Non-stop. From a macro point of view, it is crazy. Yeah. Time to go shopping and cooking. Thanks for dropping in, Jacques. And have a good one. Have a good one. Looking at this, I might want to take a trade on a MyFundedFutures Eval. I'm still gonna wait a little bit here. I'm just gonna wait to see if it wants to pop that high at 663.5. I'm really curious. If it's gonna pop it or not. Maybe not. The 5-minute is actually a bullish engulfing candle, which means it can also try to go all the way to the midpoint at 690. How about that? Well, yeah, or at least the 80s. I dedicated one evaluation account to, you know, practice scalping a little bit. And I'll see if it wants to go or not. So far, I think it wants to sweep, but it's hard to say. With great results. Oh. All right. Thanks for being here, Jack. You took one trade on ES, 10 points closed. 10 points on ES is good. I would take 10 points on ES anytime. 10 points is excellent on ES. It's like taking like 40 points on NQ, or at least 30. So, all right, what's it gonna do? What's this gonna do? Below the bearish engulfing is 615. It might fail if it goes below the 615. Yeah. And if it does, we'll be ready. It might go all the way down to 560 from here. Who knows? Took a small trade with 2 micros on MyFundedFutures Eval. I don't know where it is. Oh, here. Try to get back to that 10 a.m. candle if it starts to drop. Nothing special. It was sort of like a bit of a scalp thing, but I think it might just wants to go up to the 690. I don't mind. It's just a small trade on an eval. Yeah, it wants to go. Look at that. All right. All right. Below 620, you go short. Yeah. I thought it's gonna close. I jumped in early on this, but it's fine. Oh my god, I'm still in the trade, but missed with 1 tick. But I think it's gonna take me out now. Come on. Decide what to do here. It feels like a little bit that it wants to go lower to take liquidity from the gap and then maybe reprice that hourly candle low, but it's just having a hard time. Just a second, I have to take a very, very quick phone call. All right, just a second. Sorry, it was the market makers. It was the market makers. Oh my god, this trade took me out. Small loss there. What is happening here? What is happening? So we're going sideways a little bit. At least that's how it feels like. Let's see how it goes. Seems like going sideways here. It might want to pop that that mid-level up there, the 90s, but we cannot be certain until we don't see a possible break here in structure. Engineering liquidity for the retracement to the first. Yeah, it could be. I think it can very well be the situation. So the only question that remains is that you know, is this gonna be like, you know, is it gonna take like 20 minutes or 30 minutes or whatever? Yeah, exactly. This pretty much stopped moving in all directions, so I think it's just better to wait it out, what it wants to do. Would be nice to see a move back to the gap, but if it goes higher, then there's no stopping until 690. So yeah, look at that. Slowly pushing. I think it wants to do that 690 level. What do you guys think? 600, maybe the 680. It's fairly close. Anyway, let's wait this out. Hey, Jacob. Yeah, today is definitely going well. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? How is your day? We are in recovery mode here, you know. Okay, look at this. It might go. It might go. Oh, sorry, I'm just checking the 1 hour. Yeah, so the gap was right there. Right there. We're going for the 690, I guess. I have no positions here. But I think that would be a target to go to. Your day is okay, no trades. Yeah, this market, the only trade, I mean, we had two trade, both on evaluation accounts. I'm just recovering slowly. Took a trade after the open to this 15-minute CB right there. And then I tried to short this and then took me out. But it's okay. It's in the cards. How does this make sense? Trump trade advisor narrow put tariff on import. Yeah. Oh, by the way, speaking of tariffs, Jonathan, how crazy is that? Last week, Trump said there's going to be tariffs, and yesterday, I think it was yesterday on Monday, everything changed because he gave 30 days to both Mexico and Canada. So basically, that is saying like on Friday, okay, there's going to be 25% extra tariff on you guys, and then on Monday, no, I'm sorry, not no. When they say they're going to postpone it for 30 days, that actually means no. They're withdrawing from that because at the end of that 30 days, they're going to shake hands. All is good. All right, we made the deal. But they know it already. They already know it. So basically, Trump stepped back from the tariffs, but the markets are basically went crazy, right? I would be curious if some insider, close friend, family member, whoever close to Trump, knowing this information over the weekend that, hey, Donald, what do you think you're going to do on Monday? Well, I'm going to call Mexico and I'm going to tell them, don't worry, give you 30 days. I'm going to do the same with Justin. It's going to be fine. And then the phone calls went out. All right, guys, buy the dip. Close the gaps, I can imagine this. I have a good fantasy. Imagination. I have a good imagination. I can imagine this. Yeah. Something like this happened. Anyway. 3 unmitigated 15-minute BC with no retracements. Patience, yes. That was in financial juice. Oh. All hail King Trump. Musk salute. Yeah. He backed away. He's controlled by markets. I don't know what happened, but basically he did something on Friday and he moved back on Monday. Why? I would be curious why. I would be very curious what happened. Oh yes. Not that just they're agreed on the 30-day limit, but we're also sending soldiers to the border. So everything is back to normal now. Basically, that's the thing. From Friday to Monday, everything is back to normal. Oh my God. Sorry about the hand gestures. YouTube, YouTube. So back to trading. Careful with the 690. I just cannot enter a trade here. I'm still waiting for a shift back to the downside, hopefully. So I'm just curious how this is gonna go. Okay, look at that. Something is happening. Could this be the shift? I'm not sure. Is this the shift? Waiting for the shift. It's not happening though. It's just not happening yet. But we'll be ready. We'll be ready for the shift. We'll be ready. Not doing anything. We're still just, hovering in this area. Alright, now something is happening. Could this be it? A little bit tempted to jump in to a scalp. Scalpy. But I'm not gonna. No indication for now. I'm also watching gold. There might be an opportunity to go long on gold. On the 5-minute, there is nothing special. Nothing is happening on the 5-minute that I like. I don't see anything here that looks interesting to me. I don't see anything. Let's check on gold. I think gold might try to do one more push. Uh, Relative equal highs up there, maybe. Look at this. Interesting. Interesting how it looks like. Even the CFD, the CFD contract actually pushed higher. I like it. I like it. Hmm. All right, let's wait. It could be a structure shift. If it's going to do a displacement below 633, we might go down to that 5-minute BC down there. So 5-minute BC down there. But so far no sign of that. So it's just a waiting game again. For multiple times now. Yeah, that's the only thing we have down there. I actually want this to turn around. But this is not good. I mean, there's no clean move. Plus 1k on your Take Profit Trader Pro account. Oh my god. Kirk, let me give you an applause. That's good. Congratulations. Good job. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Okay, how far are we from this area? 40 points. I'm a little bit tempted to go aggressive on an eval and just take a small short. But okay. I took a small short position. And I'll try to target the 560s. It's just 2 micros, so evaluation account. I was hoping that we will see a continuation after this shift. Obviously, it's not doing it. It was an aggressive entry. And now it's going against me. Wow. What a squeeze. Yeah, pushed me out. All right. Not good. Jesus, this market Oh my god, man. This market. Actually, now it looks like it took liquidity from these lows. No, I'm not doing anything crazy here. What a move back up there. No, I think it's just better to wait. Better to wait this out. All right. We are in the macro, approaching 11 a.m. here. Yeah, there's 591 there. Interesting. Still just going sideways, actually, but it feels like it's a little bit heavy. That it might want to pick up liquidity from below. Could be wrong. What's that little 591.75 is the fair value gap. 591.75. Interesting. Hey Venom. Hey. Yeah, we're staying strong, Venom. Moving forward, and that's it. You know, just moving on. That's what we do. We never look back, except when we learn. No, moving on. It was last week, so I much better. But yesterday on the streams, I didn't want to talk about it, so I just made the video. I didn't think that it's gonna be this much viewed. Oh, by the way, I entered the short at 644 with 4 micros on evaluation account. I'm not trading on funded account at this moment. I might look to take partials once we get down to 91.75. I just try to get back the feeling. That's not the feeling, you know. What's that level again? Hold on. 5-minute low is 91.75. Maybe I take 2 off at 92. If it gets down there. let me check the. There could still be a bullish squeeze here. So look at that. I'm not sure I did this right, but I tried. It can still squeeze up to the 690 area. Well, it's not doing it yet. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to kill this. Let's look at this, how it goes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm closing this. Closed it. Closed it. I'm watching it if it wants to take the mid-level of the gap or not. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Who knows? You know. I'm still just gonna wait. You know, we are at, I mean, less than 1 hour away from lunch hour, but so far the 5-minute looks pretty much sideways. Let's see. What's it gonna do? You know what it can do? It can actually do an inversion here to the downside. Or it can do one more squeeze. But as I said, the middle of this 1 hour gap is 690. So not sure. But seems bullish. Very, very much. Very much bullish. At this particular moment. All right. Still nothing. Definitely not a good silver bullet hour, right? Maybe the PM session is going to be better at times like this. Maybe the volume is drying up. Who knows? All right. Here's a push. That's interesting. New 5-minute candle. Anyway, I don't have a position here. I'm just gonna go out, check something. I'll be right back. I'll keep the stream alive. Don't go anywhere. Let's watch this. What's it gonna do? Let's watch this. I'll be right back. I'm here. I'm here. Don't worry. I'll be here all the way until lunch hour. So what happened? And after that too. So what happened? What happened? Sorry. Karsten, good afternoon. Oh yeah. Yeah. Karsten, thank you so much for the comment there. Thank you. Yeah, definitely have to go forward, and that's it. Just move forward. Yeah, I got the call from Elon, and Michael called me too. Michael called me too. Look at that, we didn't go for the 90 yet. Or 91. Interesting. Yeah, he has been active. I was activated. Yeah, I was. By the way, Rich reminds me of that video about Elon Musk, how he was doing with his head. Like he was rebooting or something on the presidential inauguration. I can't pronounce it. But that was just amazing. Like he was actually like rebooting, like, and then just, he was definitely rebooting. I think so. Yeah, well, he has. I mean, they're not saying I think condition, but I think he has autism, as far as I know. But and he's taking some pills for depression, so he's taking some anti-depression medicine or something. I don't know, something like that. And he told that in an interview not too long ago. Yeah, he has autism, but like some different kind of autism. Like I don't know, because it has like different levels, and he has something like that. There's nothing. I mean, I know in person a young guy who's also has autism, and he's a very 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 clever, very clever young guy, and he's sometimes acting a little bit weird, but he's very clever. So Swept Thursday open. Oh yeah. His spectrum and on the right. Yeah. Type of autism. Oh, okay. Okay. There you go. Autism. Okay. Okay. Spoken about it is okay. Yeah, I know. A few months ago I saw an interview with him and he talked about it, but I mean, as far as I'm concerned, I think in today's world, with the appropriate medicine or treatment, I think it can be excellently stabilized or cured, or I don't know, but so it's okay. Yeah. I don't know, kind of interesting. This is kind of interesting. It feels like it wants to go higher. I think it wants to break the 90 as well. At least for now, it seems like it to me. That it wants to pop it, but we don't know. We just don't know for sure. You never know. All right. There she goes. 90 popped. All right. So now I would be curious about the next move. If it moves higher, then let's just put a line to here. How far can it go? I also think that gold might want to go higher. Look at this. We're not far from 2900 actually. And the 80s are actually almost here. So quite close. Very close. Oh, hey, Robertas. Thank you for the comment there. Thank you. Yeah, we just go forward. That's what we do. That's it. Exactly. Thank you for the support there. Really appreciate it. Zando, No, nothing special. I'm watching this 690 because this is a 1 hour fair value gap. I'm watching some kind of a reaction on this. If it might want to go down, take some liquidity. You know, you have some good levels on the downside. If it's not going to go down, well, anyway, I'm just observing it. 22K. Yeah, might as well be. Yeah, we might just go there. We might just go there. So far, it's rejecting price. Let me zoom in here. We have this gap here on the 1 minute. Kind of feels like it might want to be inverted. Not sure. If it does, could be an interesting scenario for a possible short. Maybe take it on an eval. Not sure. Yeah, this might be. I'm gonna be observing this closely. I think I'm just gonna. Oh man, is this an inversion? I'm jumping in with the small, very small 2 micro at MyFundedFutures. Trying to target. First, let me see. The stop is gonna be at 687, and first target 590. Maybe the 600. Yeah, I'll try to go for the 600 there, if it can go. It's not a clean inversion though, but why not? You know, why not? There's an area down here on the 1 minute. This I'm gonna show you in a second. So this here is actually a demand zone. That we can get through, or bullish order block. Not a perfect one, but it did shift higher, so I'd like to see a push into this order block and then maybe going lower after that reaction up there. Just wait for tiny orange fingers to send markets and tailspin. Yeah, maybe. It's not. Oh yeah, my trade is right here. It doesn't really look too good, but it has potential on the downside. So it has some minor levels that would be great to be broken. So we'll see. If not, then we're just moving higher. What can we do, right? It is what it is. Yeah, flush would be great. Down to 500, yes. I absolutely agree. Way down below the 500. Actually, I would like to see it to 442. That would be real awesome. Yeah, so let's hope. Hoping for the best. Okay, I flipped the MyFundedFutures take profit trader accounts. Maybe I should have taken this trade on my take profit trader too. I can still jump in if I want to. Down to would be nice to see this drop down there. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It's a tricky level, so that's why, just small position here. We'll see how it goes. You're short at 661. Yeah, me too. This has been copied into Take Profit Trader and Tick Tick Trader as well. So I have the same trade, almost the same basically. Looking to get below the 600s, but I want to get out at 600-ish. Might even put it to break even, who knows. Cut to elevator cord, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so copy trading on 3 accounts currently. Tick Tick Trader, Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures. Small position. Hey, Molo. You went short from 681? Jeez. That's an aggressive and nice. Let's go. Boom. I think you're already out. You should be out now. Awesome, Malo. Congratulations. That is excellent. Excellent, excellent. If it can break below 620, it's yeah, it could happen. We have some good levels on actually at 591 is a 5-minute Fair value gap. We have a flat candle on the hourly at 558, and we just cut through this demand zone, so it's looking okay. $1K times 3, get out of here. That's a wrap, yeah. Not, this is the time where you should really walk away. Could be a fake out, yes. I'm thinking to actually put this to break even if this one is just a fake move and it's gonna keep on pushing higher. But, or maybe try to reduce the risk. Okay, I'm reducing the risk. Yeah. Okay. Reduced the risk. It's better this way. It's always a good feeling if you're reducing your risk. If it goes above 74, then it's most likely going to go higher, fill this gap at 80. And I don't want to be in that trade anymore. Look at this, Mother Tucker. This Mother Tucker. Well, we'll see. This could be interesting. This could be interesting. What about the thing he was supposed to share and the backtesting? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's another video. It's going to be released tomorrow. And as for backtesting, I think we should do it. So there's another video coming out tomorrow on Wednesday. Some special stuff. I don't want to do the spoiler, It's a good thing. And backtesting, well, spill the beans. No, I can't. I can't. I almost did. No, I can't. It's a surprise. Positive surprise. It's fun. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Oh, look at this NQ. It's not doing the thing. Why is it not doing the thing? Come on. It's not doing it. Oh man. I have the feeling I might want to close this. I have this strange feeling that I might want to close this. Gold is struggling, by the way. Hey, Crypto Panda, welcome. How's it going? Good to see you. Yeah, it failed to go downside, so yeah. I think it's a good thing I reduced the risk here. How are you, Crypto Panda? Good to see you. I don't know. What's it gonna do? Have you taken any payouts from Take Profiteer? Not yet. But now I have funded accounts, so I try not to mess it up. So yeah, I'll do my best. Struggling. Oh, you know, that's part of the game, I guess. But hey, CryptoPanda, I know you're doing. I know you can do it. I know, you know, you have your edge. I know you have your edge. You proved yourself. So, what seems to be the problem? Making profits, giving it back, like, you know, going back and forth, right? Or forth and back. I really don't like this area here. This is the 5-minute chart. Feels like, you know, if I zoom out, it seems like an accumulation phase here, ready to push higher. But again, we have such good levels down there. So if it wants to sweep some goody levels, giving back and some more. Yeah, Monday we're up 1K. Oh, and gave it all back and some more. Oh, greed is, I know. Tell me about it. Oh, tell me about it. Greed is the biggest enemy. All right, I might kill this. I just don't like the way it moves, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. I don't know. My finger is on the flat button, actually the close all button. Still waiting. You know, it felt like this is getting weaker, and that's why I thought, you know, we should retest the 600 because there's some good levels below. You know, low hanging fruit would be down at the 600s. So you know, why not? Hey, Raphael. Oh, thank you. And which really makes me feel bad about making. Yeah, I know it's hard, and Raphael, I thanks again, for saying and I have to learn, and we all, you too as well. So we have to learn from this somehow. We have to. I actually started to write down some stuff for myself, and we have to learn from it because we have to. We just have no other choice. I'm not gonna give up or something, definitely, and you shouldn't as well. So Raphael, I really hope that this is just a hiccup for both of us. So we just have to learn. We just have to learn from our mistakes. And this is just gonna be a hiccup, Raphael. I know. I know. Dark Cloud, welcome. Yeah, high or low is not good. It's never good, actually. Some would say that this can create a trend line liquidity here, to break it. Maybe I should look into trend line trading more. I don't know. I'm not trading trend lines, but I know some people making quite good profits with it. It's going to do 20 push-ups for each blown account. Oh, I can actually do that. I'm going to the gym now. Exactly, Raphael. Exactly. It's part of our journey, and just gotta take it, gotta move on. And Raphael, try to take this. I'll try to do it as well. I try to reprogram my mind. Like, I try to take the losses as another lesson to write down and look back. I think the biggest issue, because this was the thing that happened with me. It was a mental snap. I just went on tilt. It was not about the strategy and all that stuff. I saw the levels, and I still have confidence that I see the levels okay-ish. So it was all just greed and lack of discipline. Easy to say, be more disciplined, but then post it. Okay, I'm gonna post it out next time. Actually, that's a good idea, Kirktown. Maybe I should do it. If trading trend lines, the first test is the best test. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, me too. Now, this is, I don't trade trend lines, but it looks like a good little break to the downside. I don't know. Yeah, I'm loving that too. Looks good. Looks good. You know what I can actually do here is I can put the trade to break even, maybe. I don't know. I wanted to see this. Oh yeah, I wanted to see this candle close a little bit lower. Now this is not such a good trend line break with the wick. I still don't know if I should move my stop to break even or not. Maybe I can give some more room to this one. Yeah, it has the trailing, but the good thing is that, why does someone wants to lose more? It locks in on the funded account. It locks in on your safety threshold. And that's it. Oh, look at this, man. I think it could have been a fake false breakout or whatever it's called. Come on, just go down, finally. Finally go down, please. Hold the line, exactly, Kirk, hold the line. Hold the line. Yeah, but on the way to threshold, yeah. I did that, I can say now from experience, multiple times with Apex and Bulenox. So I did that multiple times now. My brain is somewhat wired to the process, actually. So I have no issue with that because I trade small. And so I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine. And at that moment, when you reach that, it turns into a static account, right? And that's it. But I know what you mean. I know what you mean there, Zondo. I know. Oh yeah, it would be beautiful. It would go lower. That would be great. Actually, the low-hanging fruit level, which I would like to see, is 591 and then 558. But the lowest hanging fruit is just to test the round number of 600. That's it. So early profit at 601.50, just to make sure about the wicks. But so far it's acting weird. It's acting up weird. Yeah, we are in lunch hour, and that makes it a little bit scary, because if we are in a buy program, then lunch hour could be just, I mean, this could be it, like sweeping some internal liquidity and continues the buy program to the upside, and that kind of scares me. I mean, doesn't scare me, but that kind of makes it a little bit less interesting. Also, sometimes lunch hour can do some very good liquidity, I think. Farhad is here. I am definitely better. And Farhad, you know, that happened last Friday, and I got over it on the weekend. I just made the video yesterday, and I wasn't talking about it yesterday on the streams. But yeah, much better, much better. So, you know, 2 steps back, but that's it. Just moving forward, moving forward. Trying to do the best. I'm out of coffee. What is going to happen here? I'd like to see a nice elevator move to the downside. That would be awesome. A nice little elevator move. Let's go. You could sleep after that video. All right. Lower lows always good. Yeah, well, we'll see. As I said, this could be just ranging in lunch hour. Hopefully, not really want to make new highs here, but Very, very interesting area. So again, the buy program can continue any second, unfortunately. That's why I was thinking to maybe lower my stop. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it right above that swing, almost at break even, but I don't care. I'm gonna put it right there. Small loss if it gets up there. I know, but it's fine. So now I almost completely removed my risk, just a few dollars. So it feels much better. Let's see what it does. If I would move my stop to here, it would just go up with a tick, take me out, and then go down. So I'm not gonna play that now. Almost a free. Well, CryptoPanda, I'm still having like 2 points of risk, but it's just because I want to have this swing high as the stop up there. But I don't care. You know, if it trades above this swing high, then obviously it can try to go higher, and I just don't want to hold it. After that, then it's not our trade to hold. If it really wants to fall, then it should now. Or real soon, but the buy program seems like it might come back. Whoa! What the? Is Trump speaking or what is happening? What is going on here? What the heck is going on here? Wow. This was a good one. I liked it. I wish we would have these kind of trades all the time. Oh man. That would be just awesome. Some big seller just dumped it. All right. Everything seemed to be in order. We're getting, yeah, look at this level. Now we got back into that 5 minute. Nice. I like this. I really enjoyed this trade. Finally. Finally, it's you know, it's the same feeling when, you know, in Top Gun, Maverick was, you know, Maverick lost Goose, and then finally Maverick goes back to the skies fighting with Val Kilmer, you know. I mean, by his wingman, he's the wingman, and you know, he says, "Talk to me, Goose. Talk to me, Goose." And finally, Goose talks to him, and you know, he pushes the buttons there, and you know, finally, you know. Yo, what's up, Keegan? And welcome. Hey, Vivian, that was stressful. Yeah, that was stressful. Yeah, that was stressful. Yeah. Glad that's over. Yes, Vivian, yes. Yeah, Malo, it was an interesting move here. Interesting move. I wonder how my Tick Trader account looks like. Oh man. Oh, Tick just got disconnected anyway. Yeah, this was a nice one. I liked it. This was a good one. Yeah, Tick Trader is reconnecting. And by the way, next stop is 558. Just saying, you know. I wouldn't go long now. Actually, if we go through the midpoint here, 584, I would think that we could be approaching 558 down there. Look at the hourly candle real quick. Let's look at this. Look at this hourly candle on the micro. I don't know how it looks like on the mini. Flat candle. No wick down here. Fair value gap. No wick. If it goes through at 584, it's going to take 558.50. At least that's what I think. So I am not going to go long here. The only place, if it would be displacing above 622, then maybe. Otherwise, I think it's still bearish. And 558 is in the cards. I think 558 is in the cards. Oh, nice. Look at this. My Tick Trader account is $285 away from passing. Nice. This was interesting. That's for sure. So 84 could be the thing. VWAP is around 536. Okay, then that's one of the explanations there. We are coming back. Yeah, so I made the Take Profit Trader account here, the 150k account. I'm just flipping it now. I just have to flip it today. So we have a new Take Profit Trader funded account, and the Tick Trader account is getting ready. And yeah, we have some new Apex accounts, and this Bulenox account. This is gonna be interesting. It's up 4,237 today. I made 175. I don't know if I'm gonna get denied or paid out on this one, because when I was full tilt, I made some stupid trades. So I don't know. I'm gonna be updating you guys if I'm gonna get paid out from this or not. I just have to trade 2 more days on it, but but that's not a problem. I'm gonna request $1,500 from that account, but I will be very curious. Very, very, very curious about that. Okay, look at that. Rejected from the mid-level of that 5-minute BC. Rejected. I'm still liking that 558. Which algo tapped previous day high? Previous day high. I mean this. Which algo? I don't know. Was this because of the macro and then sending lower? By the way, this 5-minute candle is gonna close This is actually an inversion gap on the 5-minute. I'm not gonna leave it here, but this has been inverted. This 5-minute gap has been inverted to the downside. So what if in the PM session, this is just, you know, we're gonna go straight down there. Who knows, right? So let me delete that. Oh, I need to reboot. Man, I can't read. I can't read. I'm sorry about that. I need to reboot. Yes. Actually, that's true thing. I need to get a prescription for new glasses because these ones, so my eye is getting worse and I need new glasses. That's for sure. To driver prediction for level 440. Yeah, I like that too because we have that first presentation gap down there. Midpoint is around 440. That would be awesome. Logic? What does that mean? So yeah, we can go down there. Obviously, it can happen. Laser eye surgery. Oh. I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. At least not yet. Maybe when I'm getting older or something. I don't know. A little bit scared to do it. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't be scared. Down, 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 down. Da, da, da. You did it? It was the best decision. Wow, okay, alright. Hundreds of eyeglasses and contact lens now, 2020. Trump and Xi are not speaking on Tuesday. So maybe that is some kind of a bad news or something. I'm not sure. Only risk is total blindness. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I'm going to tell you 558 is in the cards. It's in the cards. It's going to happen. 558. Actually, let me check it. Jesus, did it go for it? Oh, oh my God. This was the level. This was the level. This was the level, man. Should have gone for it. Should have gone for it when I saw it taking the waterfall down there. Should have gone for it. Man, oh man. Long at 440. Yeah, that was the 10 a.m. open. And also, that's why I said if you look at the candle, it was a flat candle. So no wick, nothing, just the fair value gap. That's why it was a clean liquidity sweep. Now, after this, well, you know, after this, I really have no... I mean, the next possibility would be the first fair value gap. If it would waterfall down there, you know, that would be something. But that's a little bit more riskier if it gets down there or not, you know. This was a pretty good move. I liked it. I really, really liked it. Right, Naomi? I think so too. Same thing. Yeah, I'm sorry I wasn't here in London, but look at this. Let's just, you know, Naomi, I'm glad you said it because we don't even have to switch time frames. Just look at that. Tested the mid level of the 1 hour fair value gap up there. Inverted this gap. That was also another good sign. So rejection, inversion happened. Bullish order block here. Beautifully taken out. So everything pointing down there. We have the 5-minute BC and we also have the the 1 hour candle, flat candle, and so everything is in place to beautifully waterfall down there. And you know, the final touch on this would be to go back to the first presentation gap, but that is a little bit away. I'm not going to jump in that. But this area, this is just awesome. I like it. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful area here. Very nicely. Everything got respected. Here, here. This one, you know, the order block did its job. It was broken. You know, it served as a target to be broken. And then fair value gap, pushing lower. Everything played out as it should. As it should. So I'm really glad about it. Made 200. Let's go with 2 micro. That's how you do it. And the model is manipulate up 2-minute inversion. Then target the 10 a.m. open. Nice. We could go all the way down. I mean, obviously it can happen. It can happen. The first fair value gap is the best target on the downside currently. That's the best target. You know. I mean, I wouldn't go long here. No, I don't have targets up there that I like. So the only possible area that I would like to go is this. There's nothing more. You know, especially for the PM session. And it still has time. And gold just started to go higher. Interesting. Interesting. It can, yes, Tudor. It can go higher now. That's why it would be risky for. I wouldn't jump into a short now. That would be risky. But anyway, I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. This was a nice session. Made some profits on the evals after mentally recovering, And so yeah, it was a good day. Thank you everybody for being here. I'll be back tomorrow for the London session. Yes, Kirk, I'll be back. I'll be here for the London and the New York session tomorrow, on schedule. And what can I say? If you would like to support the stream, please use my code and the links. I would appreciate it very much. And today and tomorrow is the last day of Apex sale. And check out the rest of them too. Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, awesome instant funded accounts with Tick. Check it out. Thank you, everybody. What can I say? God bless you all. Thank you for all the support and the comments on the video. And I'm super glad to have a great community. So God bless and see you, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow. All right. Cheers. Yes, Jimmy, the fee is the same after 1 month. Yes, it's always the same.